Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can adding audio to your project in the CapCut apps. Alright, so for example, I want to open my project and I already have one video clip here. So to adding audio, so it's yeah, actually is very super simple. You're just going to click audio and then select sound. So you can select file. You can adding audio from your files. You can adding audio from extracted video. You can adding from TikTok sound, just link to TikTok, and then you can select audio available here. So for example, if you want to add your own sound, you are just going to select from files and just click import from files and select your audio. For example, so alright, so here's alright, just click add. So the sound has been added to your project. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.